Welcome back, friends. And in Samsung mobile, when your mobile is locked and you are swiping it down, you can access these quick settings. If you do not want that, if your mobile is locked, this should not come. Then what you need to do, I'm going to tell you in this video. So for that, just go to the Play Store and here just search for this application CERBERUS lock screen protector. As soon as you will search it, install it and open it. If it will ask for some permissions, go that permissions. Now what you need to do, as soon as you are turning it on, it will ask for accessibility permission. Means go to the setting, in setting go to the accessibility, or if you are using any other Android mobile, then it will be on some other place. Go to the installed app and here sir lock screen protector, just turn it on. Okay, just turn it on. When you are turning it on, after that again go back. Okay, now block quick setting, just turn it on. Now your quick setting has been blocked, it will not open. Means what will happen, I'm going to show you. Just lock it. Okay, now it is locked. Okay, now swipe it down. Go back, swipe it down. See, it is coming and going. It is coming and again it is locked. Nobody will able to do anything. But if you are just giving the locks, going there again and turn it off. Now see what will happen. If it is locked, swipe it down, it is staying. Earlier what was happening? Just go there. Earlier means when this quick setting was activated, if you are locking it and swipe it down, it will not, it will come and go. It will come and go. And again when you are turning it on, what will happen? Turning it off, what will happen? See the difference. Now do whatever you want. If you want to show others, if you do not want to show others, it is up to you. I have given you the required information. Do whatever you want. That's all. Thank you very much.